GNS stock analysis for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? What I'll be doing in this brief short video is showing you my exact play. Look, I'm the only guy in the space who's done this for 42,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not even exaggerating it. Like, it's all out there, documented. Especially GNS. It's a bullish timing, let's say. It's just a bullish range for me. Top of the range is going to be 154. And unless I do see the price actually pulling down a bit here and then giving me that shift for the second time, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. And you might think that I'm going to sit here and overcomplicate stuff. That's really not the case. Like, I have 19 results in this section here on the Discord. And as long as we're sitting above, let's say, 91 cents, I think I'm Gucci for those longs. Like, very, very big range, but that's all nice. Not financial advice, please do your own due diligence, but if you want my exact strategy and all that good jazz, you can click the first link in the description. Get it for risk-free.